For years, if you wanted to own Apple or Tesla, you had to leave crypto, set up a brokerage account, deal with KYC, convert to fiat, wait for a settlement, or you bought some synthetic token and hoped it tracked the price. Now there's a third way. rToken, real US stocks, tokenized, backed by actual shares, and you trade them with USDT directly inside your crypto exchange. No brokerage, no fiat conversion, no leaving your account. Your moves get faster, your capital works harder, and the barrier to stock exposure just disappeared. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and nothing in this video should be considered financial advice. This content is for educational and informational purposes only, so always do your own research before investing. Here we are on Bitget. So if you're already trading crypto, getting exposure to stocks doesn't have to mean opening another account or going through another lengthy setup. In this walkthrough, we'll look at how rToken lets you trade stocks and ETFs directly from your crypto account with the same speed and flexibility you're used to. Right, so here you can see the rToken trading interface alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the experience feels immediately familiar. Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, they appear just like any other crypto pair you would normally trade. And buying one is just as straightforward. So you've got all of your pairs right here. You've got Apple. So what I'll do, I will select Apple. And then once I've done that, I can go back over to my trading part here, my trading desk for the buy or for the sell. And I can select how much I want to invest. So I've selected the amount, got it all up there, and then I hit the buy button, right? And there's no need to repeat KYC or create another account or deal with a fiat wire. The trade settles directly into my Bitget balance. So that's the key difference. What can take just minutes to get through the initial setup or potentially 1 to 2 weeks with the traditional brokerage can be done in a few clicks while staying inside your existing crypto account. And this isn't limited to a handful of the biggest names. If I open the rToken library, there are 500 plus stocks and ETFs to choose from. Like you've got names like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, Meta, and Netflix, alongside broader exposures through things like the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and sector ETFs. You can also look beyond growth stocks and build around dividend-paying companies. For example, I can select a company like JP Morgan or Walmart and hold the position here. When dividends are paid, they're automatically delivered into a USDT. So there's no separate claiming process for manual conversion needed. And corporate actions like stock splits or merges are handled automatically in the background. So you don't have to manage those yourself. Another major difference is when you can actually trade. Traditional US stock markets have fixed trading hours, but rTokens are available 24/7. So even if it's 2 in the morning or Sunday evening, I can still place a trade. The reason that this is possible is that rToken liquidity pools remain active around the clock. So that means that you're not necessarily waiting for the next market open to react to breaking news or earnings announcements or a move you want to take advantage of. As you can see, you got your stocks, perps, and dividends all set within here. Another thing to know is you're not locked into keeping your assets in one place either. I can hold my rTokens directly in my Bitget account, or where supported, withdraw them to my own wallet if I want more control over where I hold them. So the underlying structure is also designed around transparency. Each rToken is backed one-to-one by the corresponding real US shares, which are held in regulated custody through Reality Protocol and Alpaca. So this isn't simply taking a synthetic bet on the price of a stock. There are real shares backing the exposure. And finally, these assets can do more than just sit in your portfolio. I can use eligible rToken as collateral for margin trading or futures, turning an existing stock position into working capital without having to sell the position itself. So Instead of selling my exposure just to free up capital, I can potentially put that position to work while continuing to hold it. And this also makes it possible to build a diversified portfolio without jumping between different platforms. For example, I could keep 50% in BTC and ETH, 30% in rTokens, including Dividend, paying names like JP Morgan or Walmart, and 20% in stablecoins. The result is a portfolio where crypto, stocks, and stablecoins can all live within the same account, while eligible rTokens can also be used as margin collateral. The bigger idea is simple. Instead of treating crypto and traditional markets as completely separate worlds, rToken brings stock exposure into the same fast, flexible environment you're already using for crypto. Tap the link in the description, sign up to Bitget, and start owning real US stocks inside your crypto account today. First 50 new users get $5 bonus to try it out. That's all for today's video. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to tap the like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.